Mabuhay. Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Stephen. How may I help you?
I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am, sir, may I know who's on the other line and your room number, please?
I'm Shane Rica Frente from room 405.
Thank you, Ma'am Shane, for the selection of our breakfast. We have American Continental and Filipino breakfast.
I want to order American breakfast.
All right, Ma'am Shane. Would you like to try any of our breakfast dish, which is our pancakes, hash brown, or sausage?
No, thank you.
All right, Ma'am Shane. For your American breakfast, we have the following: ham with sunny side up egg and toasted with sunny side up egg. Which one would you prefer?
Toasted bread with sunny side up egg, please.
Which one would you prefer to have in your bread, Ma'am Shane? Butter or mayonnaise?
No butter, just plain bread.
And for your fresh fruit, Ma'am Shane, we have orange, mango, and apple. What would you prefer?
Mango, please.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea. What would you prefer, Ma'am Shane?
Orange juice.
All right, Ma'am Shane. Would you like to have good coffee, ma'am?
No, thank you.
All right, Ma'am Shane. You have already a complete set of American breakfast. Is there anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay, Ma'am Shane. May I repeat your order, Ma'am Shane? You have ordered two orders of toasted bread with sunny side up, one mango fruit, one orange juice, and one sausage. Did I take it all correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for, Ma'am Shane?
Good for one person.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill, Ma'am Shane? Cash, credit, card, or change to your room?
I'll settle it in cash.
Your bill is 350 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring on your change?
I have 400 peso bill.
All right, Ma'am Shane. Your order will be served at room 405 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day, Ma'am Shane.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Chef. For room 405, one eggs, two toasted bread, one sausage, one mango, and one orange juice. Please prepare it by 30 minutes. All right?
Room service, room service. Mabuhay, good morning, Ma'am Shane. I am Leonard, and here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you can come in.
Excuse me, Ma'am Shane. Where would you like it to set up your food? Shall I leave it on the tray, or you want it to set up on the table?
On the table.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you your order? Here's your toasted bread with no butter, and sausage with egg, fresh fruit, and orange juice. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. I received 400 pesos, ma'am. Here's your change, ma'am.
Thank you.
Kindly sign the receipt, ma'am. Here's the copy of your receipt. Do you have any other request, ma'am?
None at the moment. Thank you, Leonard. I have something for you.
Thank you so much for your thoughtfulness, ma'am, but we don't accept tips. Should you need any assistance, just dial 1. And please let us know what time would you like to us come back for the trade. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, and enjoy your meal.
Okay, thank you.